Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here we will discuss top 30 important current affair questions of 18th and 19th May 2025. This video is going to be very helpful for your examination, so watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question 1. Who became India's 86th chess grandmaster in May 2025 after securing his final GM norm at the Asian Individual Championship in Alain? Correct answer option B. L.R. Srihari. Question 2. Which Indian state topped the medal table at the 7th Khelo India Youth Games 2025 with 158 medals? Correct answer option C. Maharashtra. Question 3. On 16 May 2025, the WHO declared a polio outbreak in which country after type 2 polio virus was detected in wastewater samples? Correct answer option A. Papua New Guinea. Question 4. Which bank became the first from the Middle East and Africa region to open a branch in India's gift city in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Qatar National Bank QNB. Question 5. Who won the Open title at the 2025 Asian Blitz Chess Championship held on 10 May 2025 in Al Ain, UAE? Correct answer option B. Ivan Jamyansky. Question 6. The 19,244 crore Tapti Basin Mega Recharge Project is a joint initiative of which two Indian states? Correct answer option A. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Question 7. World Hypertension Day is observed annually on which date? Correct answer option C. 17th May. Question 8. Which former Chief Justice of India was appointed as a distinguished professor at National Law University Delhi in May 2025? Correct answer option B. D.Y. Chandrachud. Question 9. The integrated field training exercise Teesta Prahar conducted in May 2025 was held by which branch of India's armed forces? Correct answer option A. Indian Army. Question 10. India launched a joint research call in May 2025 with which partner to tackle marine plastic litter in seas and oceans? Correct answer option B. European Union. Question 11. From 13 May 2025, Reserve Bank of India has mandated reporting of all digital lending apps through which portal? Correct answer option B. Centralized Information Management System CIMS. Question 12. The Merin River recently news is located in which country? Correct answer option A. Brazil. Question 13. The Samriddhi scheme revived in May 2025 is implemented by which Indian ministry? Correct answer option B. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Question 14. Russian astronomers discovered 11 new active galactic nuclei AGNs in May 2025 using data from which space observatory? Correct answer option A. Spectre RG. Question 15. Madhudweep, whose development is being monitored by the High Court, is situated in which Indian state? Correct answer option A. Chhattisgarh. Question 16. Which organization developed an indigenous nanoporous multi-layered polymeric membrane for high-pressure seawater desalination in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. Question 17. The Golden Dragon 2025 bilateral military exercise is conducted between which two countries? Correct answer option B, China and Cambodia. Question 18. World AIDS Vaccine Day is observed each year on which date? Correct answer option B, 18 May. Question 19. In May 2025, Assam government unveiled its first AI-powered virtual news anchor named. Correct answer option B, Ankita. Question 20. The iPragati portal launched in May 2025 to provide real-time investigation updates was introduced by which Indian state government? Correct answer option A, Gujarat. Question 21. According to India's first monthly labor force data released on 15 May 2025, what was the nationwide unemployment rate for April 2025? Correct answer option B, 5.1%. Question 22. Which US university became the first American institution approved to set up a full degree granting campus in India, this is Mumbai, in May 2025? Correct answer option C, Illinois Institute of Technology. Question 23. Who was given additional charge as chairman and managing director of the Solar Energy Corporation of India SECI after the removal of RP Gupta in May 2025? Correct answer option C, Santosh Kumar Sarangi. Question 24. In May 2025, which former England cricketer was selected to serve as the next president of the Marylebone Cricket Club MCC from October 2025? Correct answer option C, Edward Thomas E.D. Smith. Question 25. The 80 Koli Duty Path scheme approved by Assam Cabinet in May 2025 offers a one-time financial assistance of how much to each tea garden worker? Correct answer option B, 5,000 rupees. Question 26. The pathologist mobile application for pet healthcare and farm animal monitoring launched on 9 May 2025 was unveiled by which Indian state? Correct answer option C, Karnataka. Question 27. Who made history in May 2025 by becoming Australia's first female leader of the opposition? Correct answer option C, Susan Ley. Question 28. What is the 2025 theme of International Museum Day observed on 18 May? Correct answer option D, the future of museums in rapidly changing communities. Question 29. At the Doha Diamond League 2025, what distance did Neeraj Chopra achieve to become the first Indian to cross the 90-meter barrier in javelin? Correct answer option B, 90.23 meter. Question 30. The 58th Gyanpith Award presented in May 2025 was jointly conferred on which pair of literary figures? Correct answer option C, Gulzar and Jagadguru Ram Bhadracharya.